Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones to discover the best picks for 2023. We've scored the market, and in this video, we're giving out awards in different categories to showcase the top contenders. So, without further ado, let's get started. Our first category is the Most Improved Award. In 2023, Google takes the spotlight with its Pixel 7. Last year's Pixel 6 had its share of issues, but Google has truly stepped up their game, fixing those problems. Now, the Pixel 7 stands out with its lively animated software and incredible photo processing. Next up, we have the Most Timeless Phone category. The iPhone 13 deserves this title for its enduring qualities. It offers solid performance, great battery life, and an impressive 4-year software support plan. It's a no-brainer for those who want a reliable, long-lasting device. Moving on to our Best Small Phone award. This year, Asus Zenfone 9 takes the crown. It's not only compact, but also packs top-of-the-line flagship features. With a responsive screen and a 6-axis gimbal-stabilized camera, it's a perfect choice for those who prefer smaller phones. Now let's talk about foldable phones. Oppo is our choice for the best foldable hardware. Their foldable design is practical, whether folded or unfolded, and offers an immersive experience. Xiaomi's foldable is incredibly thin, while Samsung shines with its foldable software. It's an exciting category. Gaming enthusiasts, this one's for you. The gaming award goes to the ASUS ROG Phone 6 Pro. It's a powerful gaming device with excellent cooling and multimedia capabilities. It's more than just a gaming phone, it's a true powerhouse. If you're on a budget, we've got you covered with our Budget Smartphone of the Year. The Poco X4 Pro stands out for its impressive specs, design, and a special focus on battery life. It's a fantastic choice for those looking for value in a budget device. In the Mid-Range Smartphone Award category, we introduce a new contender, the Nothing Phone 1. It's ambitious and aims to make a statement in the smartphone market. With intriguing design, reliable software, and attention to detail, it's an exciting addition. Now let's talk about iPhone flagships. The iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max take the Best iPhone Flagship Award. They feature fantastic cameras, stunning displays, and Apple's renowned software experience. If you're an iPhone enthusiast, these models are worth considering. Finally, for our Best Android Flagship Award, we recommend the Google Pixel 7 Pro. It's a device that keeps things simple with a user-friendly software experience and an outstanding camera, all at a competitive price. It's a clear winner in the Android world. There you have it, our picks for the best smartphones in 2023. Whether you're looking for an improved device, a timeless classic, a small and mighty phone, a gaming powerhouse, or a budget-friendly option, we've covered it all. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.